Hello, today's topic is domain and range of a real function. Generally, real functions in calculus are described by some formula and their domains are not explicitly stated. In such cases, to find the domain of a function, we use the fact that a domain is the set of all real number x for which fx is a real number. Okay. In other words, determining the domain of a function f means finding all real numbers x for which fx is real. Okay. For example, suppose fx is equals to root over 2 minus x. Then fx is real for all x less than equals to 2. Then fx is real for all x less than equals to 2, and for x greater than 2 fx is not real. Okay, therefore the range is x less than equals to 2. Okay, now come to the next one, that is the range of real functions. First, we try to develop an algorithm to find the range. Algo to find the range of a function. Okay, step 1, put fx equals to y. Step 2, solve the equation in step 1 for x to obtain x equals to 5y. Find the values of y for which the values of x obtained from x equals to 5y are in the domain of x. Find the values of y for which the values of x obtained from x equals to 5y are in the domain of f. Okay. Now the fourth step is the set of values of y obtained in the step 3 is the range. So the set of values of y obtained in the previous step is the range of f. Okay. Now with an example, it will be more clearer. Example. Suppose we are given a function f of x which is defined as x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. First, we set y equals to fx. That is y equals to x divided by 1 plus x square. Then y plus x square y is equals to x. Then we can write that x square y minus x plus y is equals to 0. Therefore, the value of x equals to 1 plus minus root over 1 minus 4y square divided by 2y. Okay. For x to be real, we must have 1 minus 4y square is greater than equals to 0. This is the discriminant. And y is not equals to 0. And this implies that y is in between minus half to half, and y is not equals to 0. And also y is equals to 0 for x is equals to 0. Hence the range of fx is equals to minus half to plus half. So the answer is minus half to plus half. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.